Top 5 Best Gas Fire Pits. Number 5. Endless Summer Patio Fire Pit. As mentioned earlier, Endless Summer offers a wide range of gas fire pit models out there, due to which we are here with another one. The Endless Summer Blue Rhino gas fire pit is comparatively cheaper when compared to the previous model. Even though it has a lower price tag, you still get the same size rating of 30 inches with this gas fire pit model. Although, the heating capacity rating is definitely lower, as it is rated at just 50,000 BTU. Which can be an issue for a few users out there. Other than that, you get the same great build quality along with a 1-year-long warranty. Its lava rock design looks quite classy, and makes it one of the best looking options out there aesthetically. You even get a hidden compartment that can be used for changing its heat output as well as storing for the gas tank. Pros: offers great build quality. Comes with hidden compartment. Decent size for most users. Cons: heating capacity is low. Coming in number 4. Umax Gas Fire Pit. When compared with other options out there, Umax is one of the safest gas fire pits because of its various features and certifications that are not found in most other models. This Umax gas fire pit is present in the 3rd position in this article, as it offers a wide range of safety certifications to the user, including CSA. Other than that, it comes with a glass wind guard included in the box. While it is there to mainly protect the flame from wind, it can also prevent any accidental touches with the hot surface or the flame itself. As for its performance, this gas fire pit offers a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that is more than enough. Its large size of 44 inches makes it one of the largest units that offer a great looking design. Just like most other options out there, this one also offers a 1-year-long warranty to its users. Pros: includes various handy accessories. Highly safe gas fire pit. Offers high heating capacity with large size. Cons: a bit large for some users. Coming in number 3. Bond Manufacturing Gas Fire Pit. Bond Manufacturing specializes in developing outdoor heating solutions, patio shades, and fountains. The brand produces wood-burning pits, gas heating pits, and fire bowl fillers for outdoor use. Bond Manufacturing's gas fire pit features a powerful 40,000 BTU heat capacity for efficient and functional outdoor heating. The other best feature of this gas fire pit is its durability. It is made from a special material called Envirostone that makes this fire pit durable yet lightweight. There is also a special Procoat coating that ensures your fire pit lasts for a long time, even when used outdoors in harsh weather conditions. The burner is made of stainless steel to withstand high temperature and last longer. As the fire pit is compact and lightweight with 63.2 pounds, you can easily carry it anywhere and set it. The fire pit comes with a 20 pounds propane tank that offers enough fuel capacity for your heating needs. The tank is concealed underneath the fire bowl. It features a pulse ignition and control knob for easy lighting and temperature adjustment. Along with the fire pit, you get a protective cover that you can use to turn the fire pit into an outdoor table. Pros: decent heat output. Comes fully assembled. Resistant against UV in harsh weather conditions. Cons: poor customer service. Coming in number 2. Bali Outdoors Gas Fire Pit. Although being a relatively small brand, Bali Outdoors develops portable gas fire pits with a large heating capacity to keep you warm even during harsh winters. This gas fire pit comes with a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that creates sufficient heat to maintain a warm temperature. With a weight of just 50 pounds and size of 28 by 28 by 25 inches, you will find it convenient to carry and place it in compact spaces for outdoor use. There is a control knob using which you can adjust the heat output of this fire pit to create the perfect temperature. The gas fire pit features an antique brown with black faux finish that allows you to use it as an outdoor table as well. The fire pit comes in separate parts, and you have to assemble by screwing the parts together. Once assembled, you can easily start the fire pit using the push button. Along with the fire pit, you get a blue fire glass to hide the burner ring. While there are no details regarding the warranty, The brand provides reliable after-sales service to solve your queries within 24 hours via direct email. Pros: heat output can be adjusted. Sleek and elegant appearance. Easy to start. Cons: no information on warranty. Installation takes some time. Coming in number 1. Outland Living Gas Fire Pit. Most of the products offered by Outland Living are made for outdoor usage, including its gas fire pit that is quite powerful when compared with other options out there. The Outland Firebowl 893 gas fire pit is the most powerful option present in this article due to its heating capacity rating of 58,000 BTU that is quite higher than most other options out there. But the best part about it is that it offers this high heating capacity while having a small and compact size or width of just 19 inches that makes it one of the most portable options as well. Since this gas fire pit is quite portable and travel-friendly, it makes for a great option as a campfire pit. This can be done by simply using a propane gas tank along with this gas fire pit. A unique thing about this gas fire pit is that it offers rocks for better aesthetics and looks. While you get a 1-year-long warranty with it and CSA approval, its build quality is just average. Pros: compact and portable gas fire pit. Most powerful option in this article. Includes rocks for aesthetics. Cons: average build quality.